Okay, I am here near a tire, air, and vacuum cleaner. This is located in Newark, New Jersey, at the Speedway. What many people don't know is behind this, which is hard to see, is a skating area that somehow they created for people to skate with their skateboard. It's there, but we can't see it. In the daylight, you might be able to see the curvatures. Now take a look. This is a hidden spot on Park Avenue in Newark near 5th Street. And history tells me there used to be a building somewhere, I don't know exactly where, off of Park Avenue and 5th Street that was used for skating, roller skating. So every time I come to get gas here in Newark, New Jersey, and get air, I noticed this area which was empty. Lot. And somehow, I don't know who does this, who put all this cement, who did this designs, but they made this roller skate area right next door or very close to the Branch Brook Park Avenue City Subway train station. Now, this is the first time that I've come into this area. To do this video, to show people that this actually exists. Interesting. So this is a mystery about who created this. Why was it created? But this place is right here off of Park Avenue near the city subway. And I've noticed during certain times that I come here that I've heard people, probably teenagers or adults, behind the fence. So that is another unique place that's not listed. And one of Newark's secret spots. Park Avenue, First Street, and over there would be Branchbrook Park.